Question 4a. Give 7 reasons why God called prophets in Old Testament. He called them to act for God, to carry out special tasks, to remind the Israelites about the covenant way of life, to reveal God's will to the people, to teach people God's will of God, to pronounce judgment and punishment to the Israelites, to fight evil, to call people to repentance, to restore true worship of Yahweh, to warn people of coming danger, to prepare people for coming of the Messiah. Question 4b. Outline 7 ways in which the rich oppressed the poor in Israel during the time of Prophet Amos. The poor were sold for a piece of silver. The rich grabbed land. Merchants used faulty scales. The rich sold the poor. The poor were underpaid. The poor were sold into slavery. The poor were charged high interest rates. The poor were denied justice in the law courts. The poor were oppressed. The rich failed to return garments taken as pledge. The wife of the rich pressured their husbands to exploit the poor in order to meet their own luxurious lifestyles. Question 4c. Give 6 reasons why Christians find it difficult to help the needy in the society today. There are too many needy cases. Tribal or other ethnic feelings may hinder one from giving assistance to the needy. Political leanings, a lack of what to share, or poverty. There's indifference of some of the Christians in the plight of the needy. Denominational differences, poor infrastructure. It is difficult to identify genuine cases. And then there's misappropriation of resources.